Connecting Etsy with Facebook is a pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Etsy account to your Facebook shop. So for that, you have to log into your Etsy account and you have to be in your shop manager. And in your shop manager, you just simply have to click on this setting icon and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to click on Facebook shops. In this page, they are giving you instruction that how you guys can connect your Etsy account to your Facebook business manager. Now they're telling us to sign into our Facebook business manager, and in the domain page, we have to paste the URL of our Etsy page. So I'm just going to go to the Facebook business manager, and in Facebook business manager, you just have to scroll down until you see brand safety, and in the brand safety, you will see domains. You just have to click on domains. And now you just have to click on add and create a new domain. And here you have to paste the URL of your Etsy shop. After pasting add, you just have to click on add. And now it will load and you will see this page. Now here you have to copy this meta tag. After copying this meta tag, you have to go back to Etsy, and in Etsy you just have to paste it right here and you just have to click on connect. After clicking on connect, you have to go back to Facebook business manager, and in Facebook business manager you just have to verify your domain. After verifying your domain, your Facebook business manager and your Etsy account should be merged. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this really helpful.